Where are you, Gabe? What are you guys on right now? A school bus. And who's the driver?
Me.
You're the driver. Where's Daddy? In the back. Where's Grace? Is Grace going to school? Yeah. Where's the door? How do you get out of the school bus? Oh, very nice. Very nice.
Oh, yeah, going.
I think Grace is singing again. Oh, it beeps. All right, let's hear that song of yours again.
Yay. Grace sounds like she's singing deep and wide.